No, digital marketing is unlikely to completely replace traditional marketing. While digital marketing has certainly become more prevalent in recent years, traditional marketing still has its place and can be effective in reaching certain audiences. Traditional marketing includes methods such as print advertising, billboards, radio and television ads, and direct mail campaigns. These methods can be particularly effective in reaching older audiences or those who may not spend as much time online. On the other hand, digital marketing includes methods such as social media marketing, search engine optimization, email marketing, and content marketing. These methods are particularly effective in reaching younger audiences and those who spend a lot of time online. Ultimately, a successful marketing strategy will likely incorporate both traditional and digital methods, as they can complement each other and reach a wider range of audiences. It's important for businesses to analyze their target audience and determine which methods will be most effective for reaching them.